Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Today I'll be showing you guys how to write a simple addition program calculation for Visual Basic 6.0. We will be writing a program calculating the interface to add two numbers and to play the results. Let's jump right into the video. Firstly, you should have downloaded Visual Basic 6.0. Then after that, you install it. After installing, you search for your visual app on your Explorer, open the app, and this is what you get. You see that standard exe? Yes, make sure it's highlighted, and then you open the file, and this is what you have. First thing you do is to scroll around your app just to be familiarized with it and see everything there. Then you have to expand the page, expand the first page, and then you drag the main page you'll be working on to make your work more legible. Okay, just do this with me. Next step is to go on your toolbar. Your toolbar is that section on your left where the arrow is, and you click on that AB. When you click on it, go on the screen and drag a mini box just like this. For these particular questions, we have three variables, A, B, and C. So we'll be creating three boxes. So do the same step, go to the AB, click it again, and drag another box. Then do it for the third time. So next step is to delete the text 1, text 2, and text 3. What you need to do here is highlight it the way I just clicked on that first box and go to the corner, the right corner, and you see text there highlighted. Go on the side of it and delete that text too that you can see, just like that. After deleting, you go to the next box, highlight it the way I did, click on it. That's how to highlight. Then on your right side, you see text highlighted. You delete that text too. So you do this for the three. Then you go to labeling. You can see where my arrow is on the capital letter A. When you click on that A and drag it on the screen, it will show you label 1. You do the same for the second box, label 2, and you click on that A again. Do the same for the third box, which is labeled 3. Now, since our variables are A, B, and C, we are going to edit label 1, 2, 3 as A, B, and C. So you highlight that box where you put your label, and then you go to your right-hand corner and see caption. Delete the caption there that says label 1 and write A. Just do it as I'm doing it. Go to the next box, highlight it by clicking it once, and delete the label 2 on the caption on your right side of the screen. Do the same for label 3 box. Delete the caption as well. You can see clearly that we have box A, box B, and box C. Now the next important step is to go to C. Put your arrow on C and double click. It will take you to this page. Then you go on that place where you see change, where the arrow is. Click on it, and then you click on click. Yes, since it's now on click, then you go and start typing your codes. Now this is the basic code we're given. Dim A as double. This A is the A in the box A. Then the next line will be, you press your enter and go to the next line. Dim B as double. B being our B in the box. Make sure you write it exactly as seen so there's no error in your result. Then the next one is dim C as double, and C is supposed to be our answer because it's C we are looking for, the value of C. I press enter twice and I continue the code. Make sure you write this code exactly the way you're saying it. When I wrote that A, then there's a space, then equals to, then space bar again, then C, capital letter C, capital letter D, small letter B, small letter L, then you open bracket, there's no space between that, and write your capital letter T, text 1, full stop, another text. The T has to be capital letter, and close your bracket. You enter to go to the next line, and you repeat the same thing for B. You see the variable has changed to B. In another question where you have like simple interest, where you have SI equals to PTR, you make sure that your PTR will be P equals to this code R equals to this code and T equals to this code. Do you understand? So it's just like the same thing you are doing, but you are having different questions, but just exactly the same code. It's just where you see the A, B, C that you make changes on. Let's say this question was D equals to A plus B plus C. You see where we are writing A, B, C right now. It's going to be A, B, C, D. So the D is the final answer. You just have to change. You see the first one, A is text 1, B is text 2, while C will now be text 3 if we are doing A, B, C equals to D. Do you understand? But for this, we are just doing A, B, C. So it's just A and B that has the code, and C will be the formula. You can see that C equals to A plus B. Remember that when I wrote that C that you can see there, I left a space before writing equals to again, and A space plus space B. Remember that this is the exact same code. For a different question, just change the variables. After typing this, then the next thing is for you to look for a start button above. That start button is going to take you to your calculator. So when you press the start button, it will show you this page. This page is where you can see if the code that you put in is correct or not. So let's attempt it. If you're a student of Now Open University in Nigeria doing CIT 104 and you want me to fill in the logbook for this particular question, sure you can use it as a sample for your assignment. You can comment in the comment section and I will post a video of a sample of how to fill in your logbook. I will also attach a link to download the app Visual Basics on my description. As you can see, I've tried several numbers and it's giving me the correct answer. So this means that the code that I used for this question is actually correct. So you can always use this same method for different questions, okay? Thank you for watching. Please, if you know you got value for your time, subscribe. Support your girl and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.